Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a lot has happened over the month. Firstly, the results were out and the universities have taken exams online, and also many universities have declared the dates for the entrance tests to be held in September. So yes, the exam season is around the corner and I am hoping for a lot of study vlogs in the following days so that you and I both stay motivated. आई नो डीप डाउन यू नो कि शायद से एग्ज़ाम्स ना हो सितंबर में, एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली यू आर होपिंग कि एग्ज़ाम्स ना हो सितंबर में बिकॉज यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, बट वी कांट रियली हेल्प इट. So I woke up to a beautiful weather this day and I did the basic minimum. The first thing in the morning, according to my mother, the jhadu. I would have called it sweeping, but I know it does not have that feel जो झाड़ू में है. Anyway, so I sat down for a mock analysis session after that. I had given a mock the previous night but was not in the mood of a proper analysis after it. So I did the analysis in the morning. So I went through the questions that I had done incorrectly, and those questions were particularly from the general knowledge section, because general knowledge section is just too much yaar. How do they expect us to know everything? Anyway, so yes, a lot of questions from maths, English, and I wanted to basically see how I can solve the paper with less time consumption. Then I went for a few topic tests. Topic tests are basically 10-minute tests specific to a topic. So I gave like 8 topic tests that day. And then I sat for a small sketching session after the lunch. So woohoo! I recently got this sketching book, basically a diary for my sketches and caricatures because of my amazing result. Do you guys want to know my result? Comment down below. Anyway, so yes, I recently got this diary, so I was really keen on making new sketches and like trying out new stuff and my shading pencils. So I started sketching, and I had already made the layout of the girl that I was sketching, the portrait of that girl. So while you guys watch me sketching, I just wanted to talk about the lack of motivation that I feel, and I'm sure that you guys feel too about studying for the entrance test. जब से रिजल्ट आया है, I've been whiling away my time like anything and have not been studying for the entrance test. So yes, I've made a video wherein I've planned everything and the kind of books that I'll be studying, the number of mock tests I'll be giving, and general knowledge from where I'll be studying. Everything that is covered in that video. So that video is going to be up very soon, and it's about planning about your entrance test preparation. So stay tuned. Here's a small tea session for all of you guys, not gossip obviously.
Do I need it? Am I under control? Can I beat it? Wake up. If it's swallowed me whole, would I see it?
I can make you feel alive.
I know, but do I need you to survive?
Just a sip,
Does it still matter which one?
just a drip.
Am I dumbfounded when I slip? I can't believe.
So after a wholesome tea session, I witnessed this amazing weather outside and I just could not resist sitting outside to study. So I mean not study obviously, but because weather था इतना अच्छा and I had to study और कोई चारा नहीं है. So I sat outside in my balcony with an amazing view, which you can obviously watch. So yes, I sat with a Collins dictionary. It's an English library dictionary, and it's not like a normal dictionary. It's a book full of idioms and phrases and stuff that can help you to make your English more flowery and to make your English more enhanced. So I started with this book the very day that I'm shooting, and here's a small squeaky voice session for you all while I was talking with my family and trying to study as well.
said that we were friends.
So yes, this is it for this video. I really hope that you liked this video, and I'm expecting a lot of activity on this YouTube channel in the following days. I'll be putting a lot of study with me vlogs, lives, and ways to plan your study sessions and how you can go about preparing for your entrance tests that are going to be conducted in the exam season during September month, or even later if we witness something like that. So yes, I am expecting a lot of activity from you guys as well. Come up with questions for me, come up with anything that you want to ask. If we hit a 500 subscribers, I would plan on a question and answer session so that you guys can know me personally and ask me questions that you would want to know about me. And please do not forget to hit the like button if you like my content, and subscribe to this channel because there's a lot that I am planning, and I hope that I'm not as irregular as I have been. But you guys understand ना यार, CBSE रिजल्ट आई थी और मैं क्रेजी हो गई थी, और बिकॉज पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता, सो इट्स ओके. सो सी यू गाइज एंड इन्जॉय, स्टडी करो, पढ़ाई करो अच्छे से, एंड लेट्स मीट वेरी सून. बाय.